really enthralled about it, you know?
What cat? This is your sister. Eric, Eric, remember Mommy's belly? Do you remember a big belly? Remember we told you your brother or sister was in there?
He says, what does this mean?
Yeah, what's going on
What does
here?
it mean in terms of food? You have to share?
Yeah.
Dad, that nice baby
Let's
sister.
get to the bottom line here real fast.
Yeah, cut to the
What
bottom line.
exactly does this mean?
That baby sister.
What does this
huh?
mean in terms of food, in
Baby
terms of
sister.
toys,
And going.
in terms of going, in terms of general attention factors?
It's getting closer. And Samantha, but careless.
Eric, what is that?
Baby. Say baby.
My goodness.
Sounds just like your little dog, Eric.
Sounds, she's
Eric.
got some, I think she's got some congestion in her lungs.
That.
Oops.
It's the first videotape of Samantha. Hi, honey.
She's gonna love that.
She looks like she's had one drink too many.
Sammy, look up.
She says, I'm so tired. I just napped for 6 hours. That's enough to wear anybody out.
I think that tonight's the first time he was really aware of her. He never really sunk in before.
There's Grandma behind you, Eric.
Oh,
There's
dear.
Grandma. Grandma loves to have her picture taken.
Especially looking like I do.
Look at this.
Every time I point a camera at her, she turns the other way.
Hey, you. You have to wake up. You're not going to keep Mommy up tonight, are you?
Daddy will take a picture of her taking a bath and everything. Is she showing her dimples?
No.
No?
There.
Eric.
There they are.
This is great.
Eric. Eric. Do you want to see Sammy?
Yeah, he just doesn't know what to make of that baby. Look at that.
Oops.
That's the first time he's really been interested in her. He's never seen anything like that.
Did you sit back, huh? What do you think, Eric?
Should we keep her?
Baby?
Wouldn't you like to know what he's thinking?
Yeah. Baby, right. Yeah,
He's
baby.
thinking, I'll wait until they go to sleep and then I'll get her.
Eric looks so big to me.
Yeah. Baby?
She's looking at him, isn't she? Isn't she?
Yeah.
No, I was just looking at the picture, I guess.
Yeah, you're really going to have to be careful with him around her.
You know.
Because he doesn't understand.
Baby. Baby.
Samantha. That's Samantha.
Can you say Sam? Say Sam.
First encounter.
Sam?
Sam?
Doesn't seem to be jealous of her.
Oh.
That's Sam.
She's nice, Mom. When are you taking her back?
Eric, be careful.
Getting closer.
Be careful, honey. Be very careful. your sister.
This is the night that Samantha came home, August 22nd, 1986. 58 hours old. And Eric is just thrilled.
That's a baby bunny.